doesn't matter what your profession is, it is quite likely that you have suffered from extreme neck pain or stiff neck at least once in your life. The reasons can range from muscle tensions, back strain, bad sleeping posture, long hours of sitting, to being glued to your smartphones. The worst part is that constant neck pain and stiffness can become a real hindrance in leading your life comfortably. Today's video discusses acupuncture to get rid of neck and back spasms. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. It not only affects your ability to go about your day-to-day work properly but can also become a menace even when you are trying to rest. While a lot of people turn to back and neck massage to alleviate pain or manage it better, certain studies have come in support of acupuncture to get rid of neck and back spasms. Some of the most common causes of neck pain are poor sitting postures, prolonged sitting, sprain in the neck, poor sleeping position, lack of exercise, poor eating habits, bad exercising posture. How does acupuncture help in treating chronic neck pain? Acupuncture is an ancient Chinese technique which relies on treating pain with the use of fine needles. It involves inserting these needles into specific pressure points. While the concept of healing by pricking fine sterile needles into the body may sound counterproductive, the idea is to balance the energy of the body and mind. According to this traditional healing method, unblocking stored energy in the body can help in getting rid of several ailments. While some studies have found acupuncture to be beneficial in treating neck pain, detailed and research still need to be conducted on the same. Acupuncture says that proper flow of qi is crucial to lead a healthy life. Hence, needles as thin as a strand of the hair and inserted into specific body parts to balance the energy in the body. It is said that the tension or pain affecting any part of the body can disturb the energy in the surrounding muscles group. So do you consider acupuncture for stiff neck and chronic neck pain? While certain reports have found that acupuncture does help in getting rid of neck pain, the results are still preliminary, even though it is considered a safe treatment. Do remember that not every person's body reacts in a similar way to the acupuncture treatment. You may experience mild bruising or soreness in the body after the treatment ends. Are you going to try this acupuncture? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.